dapat isabit ito sa ato ang grade. Okay, John's one sexual relationship was with a girl he had gone out with during the previous summer. Her name was Jessica. Okay, sabit sa grade. 2 years earlier, Jessica had gone to a party and had too much drink and had a one-night stand with a guy named Matt.
Wow!
Before this happened, Jessica felt that she was truly in love with Joel, her ex-boyfriend. Joel, okay, now go. She wanted her first time to be with him, so they had sex a few times during the years they were together. Then they broke up and she was devastated. Joel had 2 previous partners. He dated Christy and then later he dated Stephanie.
Wow.
Okay, ang sabi ng Christy, Stephanie. Okay, Christy, Stephanie. Before Joel, Stephanie had been in love with Ben. They had planned to wait until marriage, but then they decided to have sex. Okay, then out with Jill for a year when they decided they were ready for sexual relationships. Christy, meanwhile, had gotten pregnant with Chad's baby. He dropped out of school to get a job. Chad, before he fell in love with Christy, was involved with Sarah. Okay. So, talikuran na to sila. Ito na. Ay, ang mga lollipop din nila. Get one. Get one. Alright. Okay. Nantaw na to. John and Grace gift. Iya ang gift sa kay Grace. Atong ipakuha sila isa. Dali-dali. Ibabasa na to, bunsay na at likod. Bunsay ka, muli sa iya ang gift niya sa ilahang party mo sexual activity. Sadoy. Sunod. Okay, daw sa ba? Nasa STD.